What's up, you guys? It's me, Rogoli. We're gonna jump right in, and we're using our Dermacol Film Studio makeup cover, and I still don't know what shade I am. It doesn't say it on there, but it's like the whitest fucking shade. It's like white and it's pink, but anyways, so I'm just putting this all over my face. I'm just using it just for like a base because I'm not really doing face, like a normal face makeup look. I'm just gonna be putting this down, making sure my face is completely even, and I'm using one of my little Artiste brush, and I'm gonna jump right into my Jeffree Stars Cosmetics Beauty Killer palette, and I'm using the color Expensive, and it has like a little bit of like shimmer in it, and it looks sort of, I want to say like sort of silver-ish. I'm using that, and it's gonna come off as like a tealish type of color. I love the way that it looks. Only because it's such a beautiful color. You never really see a lot of people wearing this color. I'm not really making a normal video today. I'm making a lightning strikes. That's what I'm going to be calling it, because I want to go into a contest with Cosmic Lashes, and yeah, I'm going to try to make my own look using lots of blues, purples, pinks, just trying to make the whole, I guess, galaxy meets lightning type of thing, just to see how it looks. But we're just blending it out, trying to just make like a base of where we want it on our face. So I'm putting it all over. And now I'm dipping into a blue color in my MAC cream eyeshadows, and this one's in 001. It doesn't have a name for the shadows, but it's like a dark blue color. It's like super dark blue. And I'm just putting that on top so like it gives it that blue color anyways. So I'm just putting that everywhere where I put the Jeffree Stars shade Expensive, all over, under my eyebrows, even in my eyebrows, everywhere, under my eyeballs, my nose, everywhere. And I'm putting actually a little bit of like a lighter blue that's in the same MAC cream eyeshadow palette. It's like a baby blue, and I'm just putting that in certain little spots. Now, in the Jeffree Stars Beauty Killer palette, I'm using the black rainbow shade, and I'm just putting that because it has like little like different colored reflex in it, and I'm just putting it on the outskirts of the blue eyeshadow, just to like give it that dimension of it just being dark in certain spots. Yeah, I'm just putting it all on like the outside, a little bit on the inside, not too much, because I don't want it to be a very dark look. I want it to be able for you to see like, okay, this is the color blue, this is the color purple, this is the color pink, just so it makes all sense. And now I'm just deepening it up more with the black. And now I'm going into the pink color, and that pink color is Star Power, and that's again in the Jeffree Star palette. And I'm just giving it a little bit of like a different color to help out with the blue. I'm putting it everywhere. I'm putting it around my temple. I'm putting it on the bridge of my nose, by my cheeks, one above my eyebrow, and then more under my eyebrow. And now you could tell that I'm just putting it a little bit under my eyebrow. I just like how it looked. I wanted to put one above and one under. I don't know, I just liked it. Alright, so then now we're jumping into making my stars. And I'm just using the same makeup cover that I used for my face, the Dermacol. Because for one, I don't have white, like any white paint or nothing. So I'm using this because this shit is really fucking white, especially for me. So I'm just making my little stars, and then now I'm like sort of getting into the lightning. In the lightning, I'm just making little lines going through my eyebrow, my eyes, my forehead, my cheek. Just making little lines pretty much anywhere you want. Now I'm putting it through my eyes, going to the middle of my eyebrows. And I'm putting it just pretty much anywhere you want. It doesn't have to be like certain. It's more like an art piece if you think about it. It's like you're painting on a canvas, and me, I love painting, so it was pretty much like painting but on my face. I love how the lightning was coming out, and I love how the lightning was like pretty much, it looked like my skin, so it just looked like there was nothing there. But yeah, pretty much that's all we're going to be doing, is just putting it through everywhere. And we're just putting pretty much the finishing touches. I put like a line through my eyebrow. I'm trying to act like my eyebrows are non-existent right there. I didn't want to do that whole glue thing where you glue down your eyebrows and shit like that. For one, I don't have a glue stick, and for two, I just didn't want to do it. I'm just adding on like little more stars, and that's pretty much my look. I just put on a regular like nudish lipstick, and I just put the same colors I used for my face on my lips. And yeah, I loved how it looked. I loved how it came out. I had fun doing it, and I hope you guys had fun watching. Thank you. Doses, you guys.